maintain my stance that President Marcos must be held accountable for his crimes. Too many people have died and too much money was plundered from the Filipino people for us to stand down now. Whatever punishment may fall upon me and others who stand against this president who has lost his constitutional mandate of serving the
Mr.
people is
Speaker,
inconsequential
point of
in
order.
relation to the amounts of lives
Mr. Speaker,
and
point of
futures
order.
that will be saved when
Majority
President
Leader.
Marcos leaves Malacanang. It took the deaths and imprisonment
Point of
Majority
order,
Leader.
Mr.
hundreds
Speaker.
of thousands to bring Marcos Sr. to
Point of
justice.
order, Mr. Speaker.
My punishment is only the beginning of our fight against the
Mr.
corrupt
Speaker,
Marcos
may we recognize
I promise
Chairman
I will fight
Abalos
corruption, even
for the point of order.
Thank you, my dear colleagues.
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Honorable JC Barsaga is JC
Mr.
Abalos is hereby
Speaker,
recognized.
Mr. Speaker, may I be recognized? The respondent has already spoken. He has said that he has accepted the imposed penalty under the committee report. Therefore, I reiterate the motion to consider the adoption of the committee report and call the roll of members for nominal voting.
Mr. Speaker, I just yielded to the Honorable Barsaga. The floor is mine.
But Mr. Speaker, I have a point of order.
Grabe ang ginawa ng mga congressman kay Representative Kiko Barzaga sa pagdinig nito sa Ethics Committee dahil sa demanoy inihaing reklamo sa kanya ng mga alipors ni Marcos matapos ang mga maaanghang na pahayag nito sa social media patungkol kay Marcos at sa kanyang walang pakundangang pagnanakaw sa ating bansa. Tanging si Kiko Barzaga lang ang nagsasalita at tumindig sa Kongreso para labanan ang mga korap na politiko sa pangunguna ni Marcos. Sa kalagitnaan ng speech ni Kiko Barzaga ngayong araw, sa House of Representatives, pinatayan nila ito ng microphone. Binastos at winalang hiya nila ang kinatawan ng Dasmariñas, Cavite. Sa panahon ngayon, masasabi natin na bilang na lang sa mga daliri ang talagang naninindigan, para sa katotohanan at para sa bayan. Ang ating maipapayo kay Congressman Kiko Barzaga, ay magpakatatag siya, dahil hindi pa huli ang lahat ng kanyang pagsisikap para sa bayan. Babawi ang lahat para sa 2028, pag wala na sa posisyon si Marcos. Mabuhay ka Congressman Kiko Barzaga. Ang iyong dedikasyon at paninindigan ay nakita at narinig ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Isa kang huwarang mambabatas at hindi nadadala sa silaw ng salapi, samantalang pinagtanggol naman ni Congressman Marcoleta ang kinatawan ng Dasmariñas. Malinaw na takot ang mga congressman na ito dahil na-exposed sila ni Congressman Kiko Barzaga sa kanilang bilyon-bilyong korupsyon sa bayan.